Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create an Instagram account in 2026. So if you've been wondering how to make a new Instagram ID, this is the latest 2026 method. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few minutes. And not only that, by the end of this video, you'll also learn how to post photos, upload reels, use Instagram like a pro, because I'm going to walk you through everything step by step in the easiest way possible. Creating an Instagram account is super simple. First, if you don't already have the Instagram app on your phone, go ahead and install it. It's really quick. If you're using an Android phone, open the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. Now tap on the search icon and type Instagram. When it shows up, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. The app will start downloading right away. Once it's installed, simply tap Open. Now, if you want to create your account quickly and easily, just follow each step along with me. And if you're following along in real time, drop a yup in the comments so I know you're doing this with me. Now, since we want to create a new account, tap on the Create New Account option right here. Now, on this screen, Instagram is asking for your mobile number. You can simply enter your phone number here to continue creating your account. And don't worry, your number won't be shown publicly on your profile, so your privacy is safe. Just tap on the mobile number field, type your number carefully, and then tap on the next button to move forward. But if you don't want to use your phone number, no problem. There's another option available right below, is sign up with your email address. In my case, I'm going to use my email address, so I'll tap on sign up with email address. Now, Instagram is asking for your email address. This is where you need to enter a valid email that you have access to, because you may receive a verification code on it. Now I am going to type my email address. So just tap on the email address field and type your email carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes. Once you're done, simply tap on the next button to continue to the next step. Now you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. If you used email, check your inbox. If you used a phone number, you'll get an OTP. Sometimes it verifies automatically, but if not, just enter the code manually. And while this is verifying, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these tutorials coming. Now, it's time to create your password for your Instagram account. Make sure you choose a strong password that's at least 6 characters long and not easy for others to guess. You can use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Now I'm going to type my password. Also, you'll see the Remember Login Info option. If this is your personal device, you can keep it checked, so you don't have to log in again and again. Once you're done, simply tap on the next button to continue. Now, Instagram is asking for your date of birth. Make sure you enter your correct date of birth. This helps keep your account secure and ensures you get the right experience on the platform. Just tap on the date field and you'll see this calendar pop up. Now I'm going to select my date of birth. Simply choose your day, month, and year, and then tap on Set to confirm. Once you tap on Set, you'll see the next button. Just tap on it to continue. Now it's time to enter your name. You can enter your full name or just your first name. And if you're enjoying this step-by-step guide to create an Instagram account, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment. Once you've entered your name, tap Next. Now Instagram will suggest a username for you. If you see a green check mark, that means the username is available. If you don't like it, you can change it and try different usernames. If it's available, you'll see a green tick. If it's taken, you'll see an error. Instagram will also suggest some available options for you. Pick the one you like, then tap Next. Now you just need to agree to Instagram's terms and policies. Tap on I agree. It'll take a few seconds, and then your process to create an Instagram account will almost be complete. Alright. Now at this step, while you create an Instagram account, you'll see the option to add a profile picture. This is completely optional, but I highly recommend adding a photo so people can easily recognize your Instagram account. To add a picture, just tap on Add Picture, allow access to your gallery, and select any photo you want to use as your profile picture. And if you don't want to add it right now, you can simply tap on skip. You can always add it later, after you create your Instagram account. Now, let me add my profile picture. Great, my profile picture has been successfully added on Instagram. If you want to make any changes, you can tap on Edit or Change Picture to update it anytime. You'll also see an option to share this picture as your first post. If you turn this on, people can like and comment on it. Now everything looks good, so I'll tap on the Done button to continue. And just like that, your Instagram account has been successfully created. Welcome to Instagram. Now you can start exploring, follow people, share photos, and connect with others around the world. Take a moment to customize your profile and make it truly yours. And that's it. You're all set to start your Instagram journey. Next, Instagram is asking for access to your contacts. This helps you quickly find people you already know and connect with them on Instagram. Your contacts may be synced securely, and you can turn this off anytime in your settings. If you want to find friends easily, you can tap on Next and allow access. Or if you prefer, you can skip this step for now. I'll tap on Next to continue. Now, Instagram is suggesting more relevant friends for you. You can connect your Facebook account to quickly find and follow people you may already know. This makes it easier to build your network right from the start. If you want, you can tap on Continue to see friend suggestions, or you can simply tap on Skip at the top if you want to do this later. I'll tap on Skip to move ahead. Now, Instagram is showing a preview of your profile. Here you can see your username, profile picture, and you also have the option to add a bio to make your profile more attractive. If you want, you can edit these details anytime later. Everything looks good to me, so I'll tap on Finish to complete the setup. Now, Instagram is asking you to add a mobile number. This step is optional, and your number won't be visible on your profile. You can add it for extra security and account recovery. But if you don't want to, you can skip this step. So I'll tap on Skip at the top and move forward. Now, Instagram is suggesting some people you can follow. By default, some accounts may already be selected for you. But if you don't want to follow them, you can simply uncheck them. That's what I'll do. I'll uncheck the auto-selected accounts. Now, I'll use the search bar to find and follow my favorite people instead. Once you're done selecting, just tap on the follow button to continue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an Instagram account step by step. Your account is now ready, and you'll start seeing posts and stories. Now let me quickly show you how to use Instagram after you create an Instagram account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. This will take you to your profile page. From here, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you can change your name, username, bio, profile picture, and other details as you like. Simply update the information you want, and your Instagram profile will be customized the way you prefer. To create content, tap the plus icon. To post a reel, tap Reels. To post a photo, tap Post. To add a story, tap Story. You can either capture new content or upload from your gallery. And that's how you can create an Instagram account and start using it step by step. If this video helped you even a little bit, drop a thanks in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future videos like this. See you in the next one.